Introducing Infuse Data Solutions 5-Day Power BI Jumpstart. If you want to get the most of Power BI but not sure where to start, then this Jumpstart is for you. Whether you need guidance from a certified Power BI professional you can trust, help getting Power BI set up, or just don't have the time and need some extra resource, we can help you get started. Creating effective Power BI dashboards in just 5 days. Our 6-step process starts with spending time with your business understanding your dashboard needs. We then set up your Power BI development environment and get your data prepared in a Power BI data model. Then we'll develop your dashboard to meet those business requirements. Next, we'll spend time testing the dashboard with you and making any changes. Finally, we'll show you what we built and how, so you can start creating your own great dashboards. So after the Jumpstart is completed, here's what you'll have. Your Power BI development environment set up, configured, and ready to develop great dashboards. Plus, a ready-to-use data model feeding a great Power BI dashboard to benefit your business. So get in touch with us at Infuse Data Solutions to arrange your free initial consultation.